In a world where women strive for equality, my advocacy is clear: women empowerment. Through partnerships with non-government organizations, I'll focus on women's health and vocational training, empowering women through health and skills. We will establish a women's support group for community projects. Empowering women through education and skills training is key to unlocking their potential.
I'm Alyssa Padillon, and I stand for every woman who deserves recognition, support, and opportunity. Together, we will create a world where every woman is empowered to reach her full potential.
Urdaneta,